Creating flows of income is key in creating wealth. One of the main flows of income savvy investors can create is dividend income. Dividend income can be created by consistent and methodical investments over time, creating substantial recurring income over the long term. But patience is key, along with having the right vehicle and strategies to create wealth and retire early using dividend investing. Now that we're approaching a new decade, 2020 brings about new opportunities on investing in great valued and high-yielding dividend stocks one can add to their portfolio to maximize their passive income flows using dividend income. In this video, I'll discuss the top 5 high-yielding dividend stocks to invest in for 2020 and how you can create a passive income dividend flow by using a simple portfolio outlined in the video. Get ready. You are now entering the Academy. Dividend income is one of the 7 main flows of income millionaires use to create wealth. What are dividends? A dividend is a payment made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distribution of profits. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, the corporation is able to reinvest the profit in the business and pay a proportion of the profit as a dividend to shareholders, also referred to as dividend income. Not all companies offer dividends. Dividend yield represents the annual return that is expected to be paid out in dividends. So for example, a dividend yield of 4% represents an annual return on investment of 4%, usually broken up into quarterly payments that are paid out every 3 months throughout the year. Some companies pay monthly dividends instead of quarterly dividends, which would yield a monthly dividend income stream that represents the dividend yield divided by 12. Although it is taxed as regular income, dividend income can be scaled into a substantial income-producing asset for your personal portfolio. Through careful planning and diligent reinvestment of capital, as well as reinvestment of dividends, one can create a dividend income stream that can provide substantial income, eventually covering everyday expenditures and potentially even more. The key is to create and build upon income-producing assets that can appreciate over time, both in capital gains or market value, as well as income growth. There are several principles that would need to be adhered to while purchasing dividend stocks and building up a dividend income producing portfolio. I've already covered these principles in various videos. Please check out some of the videos in the channel to learn more, but I will briefly go through each of the principles that will be used to build up the high yield dividend stock portfolio for 2020. The first principle is value investing, which is an investment tactic where stocks are selected which appear to trade for less than their intrinsic or book values. Value investors actively seek out the stocks they believe the market has undervalued, so undervalued stocks will be chosen to build upon. The second principle, dollar cost averaging, is a strategy that allows investors to buy the same dollar amount of an investment on regular intervals. The purchases occur regardless of the asset's price. A method of dollar cost averaging will be used to build upon key core positions in our high yield dividend stocks portfolio. The third principle is dividend reinvestment, which is the process of reinvesting dividends paid out by each stock either back into the same stock or into other underperforming stocks to dollar cost average your position into that stock or group of stocks. Dividend reinvestment will be used to further build up key core positions in our high yield dividend stocks portfolio. Following these principles will allow a savvy investor to choose undervalued assets that can appreciate over time, dollar cost average into positions as long as they are deemed as undervalued, and reinvest dividends into either the same stocks that paid them out or into other undervalued stocks within the portfolio. Without further ado, here are the 5 high yield dividend stocks to invest in for 2020. These are high-yielding dividend stocks paying out a dividend yield of around 5% or greater. These are also deemed to be undervalued, so appreciation can add additional return on your investment. For our portfolio, we have ticker symbol ABBV, with a current price per share of $87.86, a forward PE ratio of 9.69, and with a dividend yield of 5.5%. Ticker symbol IBM. IBM has a current price per share of $135.24, a forward PE of 10.45, and with a dividend yield of 4.8%. Ticker symbol FUN. Cedar Fair with a current price per share of $53.95 and with a dividend yield of 6.9%. Ticker symbol RDSA. Royal Dutch Shell has a current price per share of $57.55, a forward PE of 12.56, and with a dividend yield of 6.6%. Ticker symbol MO, Ultra Group with a current price per share of $50.49, a forward PE ratio of 11.9, and with a dividend yield of 6.7%. The simple average dividend yield of the portfolio is 6.1%, assuming the stock positions are equally weighted in the portfolio, each 20%. By systematically dollar cost averaging into positions that are undervalued or drop significantly in price, a higher yield on cost can be achieved in the portfolio. Well, there you have it. 5 high-yielding stocks that are undervalued at the time of this video, have significant room to appreciate, and with healthy dividend growth rate can create significant multiple flows of passive income leading to wealth creation in the long term. By employing value investing strategies along with investing in the 5 high-yielding dividend stocks mentioned previously, you can create a low-risk dividend income flow that will appreciate over time and continue to pay income continuously. Through careful planning and diligent investment of capital, as well as reinvestment of dividends, one can create a dividend income stream that can provide substantial income, eventually covering everyday expenditures and beyond. If you'd like to start building your high-yielding dividend income portfolio that will create passive income indefinitely, you can do so by using the stock trading app called Webull. The Webull stock trading app provides a great vehicle which allows for commission-free buying and selling of stocks, as well as metrics and analysis tools for picking out undervalued stocks, thus providing a great way to create and grow a dividend income portfolio using the methods mentioned previously. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started on creating your very own passive dividend income producing assets and start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.